is optimal trade entry. Optimal trade entry comes with rules. Some people use it as a form of strategy, and it has its own kind of rules attached to it. Now, it comprises of a valid break of structure. Candle bodies must actually respect the optimal trade entry. The optimal trade zones are 62% and 79%. Your stop loss is below the lowest low, that is the lowest low of the retracement. Now, going to here, you can come in here, your left hand side, and find your Fibonacci. But for your Fibonacci, I'm not going to expand that so much. Take note of the point. Our optimal trade entry is 62%, and the range is between 22% and 79%, and our stop loss is usually below 100. Now, majority of the traders take in this point as the take profit, this high point as take profit. You can come to your settings here and pick this point, take note of it. Take this note of the ranges I picked on my Fibonacci. You can come in here, you can scroll down, you can increase or reduce the background, then you can turn it to your value, or you can turn it to percentage of your choice, and click on OK, and it's going to appear like this. Now, how do I know my optimal trade entry? I'm going to start with 4-hour time frame, because 4-hour time frame, a lot of people use a lot of strategies on it. Now we can see this zone here. We can see, what do I see here? I see a break of structure here, right? I also see what do I see here? I see a break of structure here. Can you see that, right? I see a break of structure here. This is my recent low. Am I correct? Now, what will I do? I'll take my Fibonacci from the low to the high. You can see it from the low to the high. What will I do next? My entry is here. You can set your limit if you want to. Set your limit here for a point of entry. Says 2.00%. Market activates here and goes your way. You can see another point here. This is the lowest low. I'll delete this triangle here, rectangle here. This is the lowest low, and this is the lowest high. What will I do? I'll take my Fibonacci from the low to the high. And what am I seeing there? I'm seeing what? I'm seeing market came to the what? The 62% to 79%. Can you see? Oh, sorry about that. Can you see that here? I'll mark this whole zone as my point of entry, and you can see markets came here, activated the trade. My stop loss will be below here. Your stop loss will be below this 100% for those that want to buy in the market. It can be used on any form of time frame. Can be used on any time frame of your choice. This is the lowest low, and this is what the highest point of the market. What will I do? I'll take my Fibonacci from here to here, and what can you see? Markets came in here and reacted here at the 62 and 79% of the range. If I go around this whole chart here, you can see a change of character here. This is the lowest low. Can you see that there? This is the lowest low, and this is the highest point on the chart, right? What will I do? I'll take my Fibonacci from the low to the high. You can see, right? And what the market do? Market came here, activated is 62% to 79% of the chart. Can you see that here? My stop loss will be below this point here. Let me use a long position. My stop loss will be below this position here. It will be below here, and you can target here as your take profit of those that want you to trade, and use this point as your TP1, TP2, and TP3, depending on how you want it to trade. Okay. Let me keep showing you more examples. Now, what am I seeing here? I'm seeing what? A break of structure here, or a change of character. This is my highest point of the high, and this is my lowest point of the low, right? I'll take my Fibonacci from the low, from the high to the low, and you can see it. Market came what? At the 62% to 79% of the range. I can take in my entry from there. For those that want to use that form of strategy, or my entry from there, put my stop loss above here, and what? My take profit 1 here, take profit 2 here, and take profit 3 here. Then your 4 and 5, how you want to go with your chart. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Give me your questions in the comment section. I'm always happy to reply all questions. Ask me, you can send me an email, and I'll reply your inquiries more if you do not understand. Thank you very much.